Hey everybody, let's chat about importing an existing Google Tag Manager container so that you have everything you need and you're ready to go, right? So typically this comes in the form of a .json file. Have a look here. Let's create a brand new Google Tag Manager just so I can show you what I mean. Create. Okay, I'm just going to assume that you have a Google Tag Manager container. You have it implemented on your website, and the reason you're watching this video is because you want to import a JSON file. What you got to do is go to admin over at the top here. Click that. Click on import container. Click on choose container file. And you've got here, I've got one here, it's called squarespace.json. That's a container I put together and I made available to you guys. Right? You can overwrite the existing contents of your Google Tag Manager container, or you can merge this container that we're importing with your container. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to be overwriting. So I'm going to say add to workspace. There you go. So you can see here it added 3 different things to the workspace. All right. It's added one tag, a listener tag, and it's also added 2 triggers, a CSS selector trigger and a Squarespace form submit trigger. In the last video I did, I showed people how to fire a Google Ads conversion tracking tag on their Squarespace form submit. So when somebody submits a form, all the fields are valid. The form then says thank you for your submission or just thank you. When that thank you is shown on the screen, we've got this here, this CSS selector trigger, and then people can create a tag and then fire that tag on this particular trigger. See, the idea here was I'm providing these JSON files, the thing that I just uploaded to my Google Tag Manager container, and the user doesn't have to do anything. They can just fire their tags on the trigger here. Right? I've kind of validated everything works properly, but there you go. If you want to upload things, again, you're uploading a container by going to admin, going to import container, and then selecting the JSON file. Exporting happens as well in this admin area here. Export container, let's say I want to give this to somebody else. You're going to click on default workspace and then click on export. This is going to go to my downloads area, and there it is. You can send that to somebody else and then they can import. Super straightforward. Okay? Any questions, let me know in the comments. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.